Alright, here's our list of ingredients. We have a good pound of Wagyu beef from our good friends at D'Artagnan Foods. They've also sent us a medallion of duck foie gras with black truffles. And we have some horseradish, an onion, curry powder, Dijon mustard, and mayonnaise. So let's put this burger together. So first you want to julienne this onion. Julienne means to cut it into little strips because we're going to make caramelized onions. Now you don't need to do too much to this beef. We're just going to form it into 3 simple patties, about 1/3 of a pound. Wagyu beef tastes so good on its own that you don't really need to do much to it. Just season it with a little salt and pepper. Alright, now these burgers go straight on the grill. Now the great thing about Wagyu beef is how incredibly fatty and juicy they are. You can see all that nice fat coming off of them, and it makes them so tender. We're not going to have to cook these well done. Medium is just perfect. Okay, so now we put this all together. So some of this nice curry horseradish mayonnaise. This beef patty over top. There we go. A whole bunch of these caramelized onions. And then we're going to top it off with this foie gras medallion. But I'm not finished yet. I'm actually going to take my torch and warm this up a little bit so it's nice and hot and creamy. Look how that foie gras just melts throughout the burger. And this, of course, is my absolute favorite part of Food Chain TV, is when I get to eat stuff. Look at this thing. Look at that. So juicy and just so fatty and good. Oh, I cannot wait. Okay, so here we go. This thing's dripping all over the place, just like a burger should. Wow. Oh my god. This is so good. Oh my god. So messy, all over my face. Look at that. Black truffles, foie gras, Wagyu beef, onions, mustard, curry. It's all happening at the same time. Oh, I just hit the middle of that foie gras. Oh my god. This thing is amazing.